Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup tax documents with Intuit TurboTax, full guide step by step clearly. Open your TurboTax software. Sign into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the section labeled Documents. Look for the option that allows you to upload or backup documents. Select the type of tax documents you want to backup, such as W-2 forms or 1099s. Click on the Upload button. Browse your computer to locate the documents you want to upload. Select the document files and confirm your selection. Once the files are uploaded, double-check to ensure they are listed correctly. You can add notes or tags for easy identification if needed. After reviewing, proceed to save your changes. To create a backup outside of TurboTax, go to your computer's file manager. Locate the folder where your TurboTax files are stored. Copy all relevant tax documents and files. Paste them into a secure location, such as an external hard drive or cloud storage. Make sure to encrypt or password protect sensitive documents for added security. Regularly check and update your backup to include any new documents from the current tax year. After completing your backup, log out of your TurboTax account. Close the software to ensure all changes are saved properly. Your tax documents are now securely backed up, ensuring easy access in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.